Restoring a vintage motorcycle is like bringing a piece of history back to life. First, I stripped the frame down to the bare bones, meticulously cleaning every inch to reveal its true character. Next, I tackled the engine, disassembling it to inspect for wear and tear. It's fascinating how each part tells a story. I replaced gaskets and seals, ensuring everything runs smoothly. Then came the fun part, choosing the perfect paint color to match its era. Finally, I reassembled it, feeling the thrill as I turned the key for the first time. That roar of the engine is pure magic, a testament to craftsmanship and passion.